Welcome to Nikpendar Import and Export Company, the leading supplier of high-quality Iranian steel. In today's video, we will be taking a closer look at the Iranian steel industry and the many benefits of using Iranian steel. Iran is one of the world's leading producers of steel, and Iranian steel is known for its high quality and competitive prices. Iranian steel is used in a variety of industries, including construction, manufacturing, and automotive. In the following video, we will learn more about the Iranian steel industry and the many benefits of using Iranian steel. I invite you to watch the video together and learn more about this amazing product.
Iran is a major producer of steel, and its products are known for their high quality and affordability. Iranian steel is used in a variety of applications, including construction, infrastructure, and manufacturing. One of the best providers of Iranian steel products is Nikpendar Import and Export Company. Nikpendar has a long history of providing high-quality steel products to customers around the world. They offer a wide variety of products, including billets, blooms, slabs, and bars. Here are some of the key benefits of using Iranian steel products. High quality. Iranian steel is made with high-quality raw materials and is produced using advanced technology. This results in products that are strong, durable, and corrosion-resistant. Affordable. Iranian steel is a cost-effective option for many applications. This is due to the country's low labor costs and abundant raw materials. Wide range of products. Iranian steel producers offer a wide range of products to meet the needs of different industries. This includes billets, blooms, slabs, bars, and other shapes. Excellent customer service. Iranian steel suppliers are committed to providing excellent customer service. They have a team of experienced professionals who are dedicated to helping customers find the right products for their needs.
Iranian steel is an excellent option if you are looking for high-quality, affordable, and reliable steel products. Contact Nikpendar Import and Export Company today to learn more. Visit our website or call us today to learn more about our products and services. We are your source for high-quality, affordable, and reliable Iranian steel products. Thank you for watching this video about Iranian steel products from our Nikpendar Import and Export Company. I hope you were inspired by the story of Iran's steel industry and the people who work hard to produce high-quality steel products. Iranian steel is used to build some of the world's most iconic structures, from skyscrapers to bridges to power plants. It is also used to make everyday products like cars, appliances, and furniture. The Iranian steel industry is a significant contributor to the country's economy and employs millions of people. It is also a source of national pride and a symbol of Iran's growing industrial strength. If you are looking for high-quality, affordable, and reliable steel products, Nikpendar Steel is a great option. By choosing Nikpendar Steel, you support a thriving industry and help to create jobs. Thank you again for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching this video about Iranian steel products. If you are interested in ordering steel products or have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We have a team of experts who are ready to help you find the right products for your needs. Visit our website or call us today to learn more about our products and services.